Suzuki just dropped a bombshell. Meet the 2026 RM-Z 1050, a dirt-shredding, track-dominating powerhouse that redefines what big-bore motocross can be. This isn't just an update, it's a whole new era. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring the latest machines into focus fast. Design. The RM-Z 1050 comes in hot with aggressive new bodywork that's slimmer, sharper, and built for real performance. From the updated plastics to the reinforced subframe, every inch of this bike says race ready. It's lighter than expected for a 1050, and the new color scheme? Classic Suzuki, bold and unmistakable. Performance. Now let's talk power. The heart of the RM-Z 1050 is a brand new 1050 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, yes, a full-liter motocross beast. It delivers insane low-end torque, crisp throttle response, and a high-revving top end that begs to be pushed. Suzuki's new chassis geometry and Showa suspension upgrades make it surprisingly nimble for a big bore, whether you're clearing triples or carving corners. Features and technology. You also get modern essentials, ride-by-wire throttle, multiple power modes, launch control, and an all-new traction management system that adapts on the fly. The minimalist digital dash keeps things simple, while Bluetooth connectivity lets you tweak settings right from your phone. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 is big, bold, and built to win. But what do you think, too much power, or just right for the next generation of riders? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews. We've got more adrenaline-fueled content coming your way. Ride safe, and see you next time.